Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will cover Sway. What is Sway, how we can use it, and how we can share it with our colleagues and students. Sway is actually a digital story platform, and it is developed by Microsoft for the educators especially. It creates rich multimedia content having stunning look on mobile and desktop computers. The users, the client will just need the link, and if you are going to design this way, if you are going to create this way, then you will use the application. It may be a downloaded version or you can access it from the browser. It uses different images, videos and text tool to create presentations, and such like presentation which have very stunning and beautiful animation. The most important about this way is that it is totally free for the educators and the schools. So let's start how we can create Sway, and you doesn't need a license account to use the Sway application. Sway.office.com is the platform. Just click on the start it, enter your credential for login. It is totally free for the educator, so you don't need any license account for it. You can use it with any Microsoft account. So after signing in, here I have created some Sway already. Some Sways are available here. To create a Sway, you will click on the create new, and once you click on the create new, this platform will be available. The title about which you are going to create a Sway, for example, currently I'm going to write nature here because I want to put some images about nature and how I can create a stunning Sway about the nature. You can insert figure images, and these images may be from the internet, from the Flickr. It may be on your OneDrive. You can upload your own photos, videos, etc. And if you want to search anything on the YouTube, for example, if you are going to add some nature video from the YouTube, then you will click on the YouTube, you will select the YouTube, and after then when search the nature here, all the videos related to the nature will be pop up here. For example, I'm going to take this Nava video, I place it here, and I will describe here a video covering the Norway. Okay, you can describe it here. You can insert any other link. You can categorize your writing if you want to do, and if you want to emphasize something, then you can also click on emphasize. And if you want to insert some images, then you just click on the images, and the figures photos are populated here. Insert the images which you want to insert and which you need in your Sway. Okay, and you will need to describe every figure according to your Sway. And similarly, if you want to upload something from your device, then you will click on the my device. For example, this is populated and you can select anything from here. Okay, for example, we have selected some figures and some images and some videos too. After that, we will go toward the design to create a new design. Initially it looked like that, and there are number of styles according to which you can design it. There are number of styles, and you can select anyone according to your selection, according to your choices. Okay, for example, this is slides. It will be shown in the slide, one image at a time. You can select the horizontal one. Okay, it is shown in a horizontally. You can see it is arranged horizontally. You can also arrange it vertically. Yes, it is arranged vertically. And if you use any already available template, then you can select these two, for example this one. So there are number of templates, number of default templates are available. You can select any one according to your requirement. You can also use remix. This is also a beautiful way. So how it will look, let's play it. This will look like that, very beautiful and very stunning. Okay, so this is very beautiful way which you can create to present something, to present your project, or if you want to show something to your students, show something to your learners. This will attract your learner, and this will engage your learners. And for example, if you are a content creator especially, or you are working on a YouTube, you are a YouTuber, then you can use Asway to collect the videos related to one topic and create their one way and share it with your colleagues. So this is very beautiful application, very beautiful software which may be used to within the education with the learners, and also in the business too. Thank you so much for watching.